I'm gonna try to make this 3 minutes long. But, so, right now, I'm making Steve Reborn. If you want to see the code so far, it's not really that much. I'm using Turbo Warp because I think it'll look cool. And what I'm planning on is for chapters to be split up depending on what you do. So for example, chapter 1, there'll be 2 options. Depending on those options, depending on what you do, you'll either go for the true ending a little, or another ending. Same thing with the other 2. These 2 will be for chapter 2, after chapter 2A, and chapter 2B. So I want this at chapter 1. And I actually want to show. And it is in addition to the One Night at Steve series. So, yeah. So yeah. So what I'll do, when this bright clicked, you know what? If else, if costume equals, you know what? Costume number equals 1, then broadcast chapter 1. And I want to hide. Now, hide when I receive chapter 1. So it should work. There we go. Now, I want to see. I think it'll work. Yep, it doesn't work whenever I do another costume. So what I'm going with this is that I'll have some if-else loops. I have a little bit of time left. What I could do. I'll do it after the events of One Night at Steve's 5. We should get started with that quickly. We have like 71 seconds left. These will be split up into parts, so don't worry. After the events of ONAS 5. So that might be good. Everyone thought that Steve finally lost. But the game has just begun. That's how you spell it. You know what? I'll look it up later. I'll look it up later. You know what started? You know what? I'll let y'all see this. It was me going. I'm sorry. I just had to. I am extremely sorry. If you hear that, that means, something has ended. So yeah, see y'all in the next video.